Here I have OPPO F23, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly what you will have to do is to open My Files application. So for example, you can transfer photos, videos, audios, documents, APKs, archives. Let's transfer some photos. This one, for example. So you can move it or you can copy it by going to More and selecting Copy. Then you have to select where to you want to copy it. In our case, to SD card, to the Pictures folder. Could be paste to here. And now we have this photo not only on our device's storage but also on our SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.